Hi, good morning. It's Nick Kaiser, Mustache Approved Remodeling, back out at our friends Lee and Tina's house. We are getting close here. I want to show you what's happening. Take a look. Yesterday the countertops went in. Let me back up a little bit here. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful cabinets. Really that quartz goes so well with the tile because it has that gray, those gray spots in there, and a white really goes well with the white cabinets. But you can see how beautiful that tile turned out after the grout. Right now we're waiting on the plumbers. You can see, again, I think I've mentioned this a couple times, but you can see there's a shower valve right here at the end, and that's gonna run the regular shower head up here. And then we have a second valve, which is going to fire up right there, and it's gonna run a handheld. Get this handheld here. You can see it's gonna sit right here in a cradle right there, which will be so nice to use when you're using the shower. So we got a couple of 8-inch spread faucets going in today for the cabinets, and we also are putting in a new toilet. So really coming along. Tomorrow we will be popping in the new medicine cabinet and trimming out all the electrical, popping in certain things like new towel ring on both sides, and doing some paint touch up. Then we'll just be waiting on the shower glass, that splash panel. There's only one going here, it's not necessary here. There's no door gonna go in between, just the splash panel. And then we're coming along really nice. You can see down here we had to do a patch on the floor. You can't even tell there was a patch done. There was a little pony wall that was between the old tub and the old shower, and that shower was real small. Now, because that pony wall stuck out further, we had to repair all that tile there, but it turned out beautiful as well. So anyway, stick around. Can't wait to show you the finished product here. It won't be till next week. Obviously, we got to wait for the glass, but I look forward to showing you, and we will keep going with these projects so you can get a phase by phase idea of what it takes to do a project like this. So stick around for more if this is something you like. All right, thanks.